Oh guys, we are live. Kamusta guys? Pagod na kami, pagod. Say hi AJ. Federal yung heart, yung hot. Federal. Lakad tayo. Lakad. Ah, ayan, laser shot. Okay. Ano to? Hindi ko pala napuntahan yung hot sun. Puntang Hudson ha. Ngarag na itsura ko. Mukha na akong ngarag. Pakita natin yung palmetto. Itong palmetto na to, isama tayo ng loob dito pero maganda yung mga products nila eh. Ito malupit yung Holosun. Ito yung commercial ng Holosun. Yung booth ng Holosun. Ay. Holosun. I show them what it looks like in NRA Houston 2026. Sabi ni AJ, anong state daw pwede mag open carry ng ganyan, no?
Yeah.
Hindi pwede sa California. It's not in California. Houston, Texas pwede pero
no, not
frowned upon. It's frowned upon.
It's like a western state.
I know, mga gimmicks dito, libre, kumuha ka lang, oh. Let's get it. It's a patch. Kuha ka lang, oh. Ito. NRA patch. It's an NRA patch. I like it. Houston, let's go. Yeah, get one AJ for you.
Okay.
Yeah. NRA patch. Put it in my bag. Line up ng palmetto, oh. So they have pistols. Magmamata tayo dyan, may bata. AR, Jackal, ay yung AK nila. Ito malupit eh, yung HNR line. HNR line nila, oh. Retro. Hindi kasi sila naglagay ng pangalan eh. Pero FAL. Ito yung kopya nila ng FAL. No, tsaka ano tawag nila dito? Kitty cat ba yan? Meron yung kitty cat eh. Tapos ito, I don't know if this is 7.62 by 39. Do you see the caliber in the barrel? What caliber is that?
556 later.
556?
Yeah.
I thought it's 7.62. So, bolt gun. Gumawa sila ng bolt gun. Tapos syempre yung 20-inch nila na old school. Pero may mas old school pa dyan, guys. Ito na ba yung old school natin? Ito yung old school. M16 old school M16 triangle. Ito malupit eh, triangle handguard. Meron pang bipod na papayta ko na lang yung sa video niya. May bipod siya, so pwede mong iputok ng from the hip kasi mabigat eh. Ito yung maliit nila, paliit ng asan yung malipit nila. Ito yung saan yung malipit? The one that we were waiting. That guy. Ito yung so mga kababayan ko, walang palmetto sa Pilipinas eh, pero ito yung pinaka, what do you call this?
I just call it like a BTT puzzle.
I know, but the most unique, you think?
I don't think it's the most.
You don't think? You don't think it's the most unique?
I mean, it's a Russian gun, right? Or Sylvan gun.
Okay. AK-74. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Ayaw pala ni nang pinatouch. Okay, touch. Yan ang palmetto. Let's go. Meron sila isa pa eh, yung yung ito, AK nila.
Toy AK.
Ay nako. MP7 guys, MP7 ng palmetto. Yan, ano pala na sakto. Ito. MP7 and modular chassis system. Okay, let's go. CAA. They're closing shop. Let's go. Yan guys, pauwi na kami. Gold, baka gusto yung gold. Kasi, you want gold?
Hey, let's get going.
Yeah, that's gold.
Statue of Liberty.
Yeah, how much is it? Baka gusto yung gold.
And
Silver.
$25.
No,
Yeah, it is.
is it?
Yeah, it's really the price. Yeah.
Silver, oh. Silver yung amo. Silver. Silver.
Ammo, so.
Ah, may aspen. Ah.
Let's go.
Ay, come on, come on. Okay guys, tapusin ko na yung live stream na to. Hopefully, hindi tayo maano, sensor. Bye-bye!